Hello students. In my previous video, I had explained about the networking concepts, networking fundamentals and its rules, why it is required, what are the benefits of networking and so on. Here I am going to explain types of common internet connectivity, right? Here it is mentioned dial-up, DSL, cable internet access, 3G, WiMAX. So have a look on each and every term. What is dial-up connection? Dial-up internet access is a form of internet access that use the facilities of the public switched telephone network, that is PSTN. Underline this term, PSTN. Full form of PSTN is public switched telephone network, to establish a common connection to an internet service provider. What is internet service provider? ISP, who will provide internet facility via telephone lines using a device called modem. Users dial a particular number provided by the ISP and gain access to the internet. That's why it is known as dial-up connection. Dial-up connections are extremely slow, and in most cases it is replaced by a high-speed connection such as DSL or cable modem. Now, what is DSL? Digital subscriber line, DSL. It provides internet access by transmitting digital data over wires of a local telephone network. DSL service is called delivered along with wired telephone service on the same telephone line. On the customer premises, a DSL filter remove the high frequency interface, enabling simultaneous. What is simultaneous means? साथ एक साथ use of the telephone and data transmission both. For using a DSL connection, you need a DSL modem and a subscription. Next is cable internet access. It is with the help of cable. Cable internet access is a form of broadcast internet access that uses the cable of television infrastructure. Cable internet access is provided through existing cable TV networks. This is similar to DSL, that is provided over existing telephone lines. Next is 3G. What is 3G? 3G short for 3G. It is third generation. Is a set of standards used for mobile devices. You must have listened 2G, 3G and 4G. And mobile telecommunication services and networks. High speed downlink packet access. HSDPA. The full form of this is high speed downlink packet access. In 3G mobile telephone communication protocol that allows higher data transfer speed and capacity. If support for 3G is available on your mobile phone, you can subscribe to the 3G connectivity with your ISP in order to get high speed internet connection on your phone. Students, if you are going to take this facility, then your device must support this. आपने देखा होगा जियो का जब फ़ोन लॉन्च हुआ था तो फ्यू यूज़र्स यूज टू दे हैव वन मॉडम ऑल्सो. जियो का मॉडम अलग से उन्होंने परचेज़ किया क्योंकि उनका फ़ोन इस 3G और 4G टेक्नोलॉजी को सपोर्ट नहीं करता था. WiMAX. What is WiMAX? It is worldwide interoperability for microwave access. Is a wireless communication standard designed to provide mobile broadband connectivity across cities and countries through variety of devices. WiMAX is a long-range system covering many kilometers, and it is typically used where DSL or cable internet access cannot be used. This could be difficulty in laying out cables for home or offices located in remote locations but need access to the internet. Remote locations mean from where you are connected. थोड़े से जो दूर के एरियाज़ होते हैं वहाँ पे WiMAX वर्क करता है. पर्टिकुलर WiMAX अर्थ स्टेशन पे होते हैं और उस पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस से आपके ऑफिस या घर की डिस्टेंस फिक्स होनी चाहिए. देन यू आर एबल टू यूज़ दिस फैसिलिटी. नेक्स्ट इज़ वाईफाई. वाईफाई यू ऑल नो स्टूडेंट्स, ऑलमोस्ट आप सब ने फ़ोन में वाईफाई यूज़ किया होगा. So Wi-Fi is a popular technology that allows an electronic device such as computer or mobile phone to exchange data wirelessly over a network. But it must have a fixed range. अगर आप उस रेंज के बाहर जाते हैं तो Wi-Fi का कनेक्शन डिसकनेक्ट हो जाता है. That is also known as WAP. वायरलेस एक्सेस पॉइंट, राइट. उस पॉइंट तक अगर आप रीच करते हैं देन ओनली यू विल बी गेट कनेक्टेड, अदरवाइज आपका कनेक्शन ओवर हो जाएगा, डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज डेटा ट्रांसफ़र ऑन द इंटरनेट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टूडेंट्स. आपने कोई भी फाइल, कोई भी फ़ोटोज़, जो भी आप नेट का यूज़ करके वन सोर्स से डेस्टिनेशन तक भेजते हैं, वो कैसे ट्रांसफ़र होती है, उसका क्या प्रोसीजर होता है. इट इज़ मैंशन इन फ्यू स्टेप्स. In very simple language, let's see what happens to a piece of data. What is a data? This question arises, students. What is a data? It is a raw fact or figure, right? What is a data? Raw fact or figure or incomplete information. Data कभी भी complete information नहीं होता है. Say a web page when it is transferred over the internet. How it will transfer? See students, the data is broken up into bits of the same size pieces called packets. For example, मैंने आपको पहले भी क्लास 9th में भी समझाया था कि डेटा पैकेट्स क्या होते हैं और किस तरह से चेंज होता है. तो सपोज यू हैव 100 पेजेस, राइट स्टूडेंट्स. आपके पास 100 पेजेस हैं. 100 पेजेस की एक बुक है विच इज़ वेरी हैवी फॉर यू. यू आर नॉट ईजिली कैरी दैट बुक फ्रॉम योर होम टू द स्कूल. सो अगर आपने 100 पेजेस को अलग अलग स्मॉल पैकेट्स में कन्वर्ट कर लिया, अलग अलग पेजेस मीन्स वन पेज कैरी वन पैकेट, तो दैट इज व्हाट, दैट पर्टिकुलर डेटा इज अ पैकेट, राइट. तो आपने बुक को डिफरेंट पैकेट्स में डिवाइड कर लिया, दैट इज आपने कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन या मैसेज को छोटे छोटे डेटा पैकेट्स में डिवाइड कर लिया. देन क्या होता है, अ हेडर इज एडेड टू ईच पैकेट एक्सप्लेनिंग वेयर द डेटा हैज़ कम फ्रॉम. वो कहाँ से आया है एंड वेयर इट शुड एंड अप, वो उसको कहाँ जाना है. मीन्स सोर्स एंड डेस्टिनेशन दोनों का एड्रेस ईच एंड एवरी पेज पे आपके मेंशन होगा. ईच एंड एवरी डेटा पैकेट पे डेस्टिनेशन का भी एड्रेस होगा एंड सोर्स का भी. ईच पैकेट इज सेंड फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर टू कंप्यूटर अंटिल इट फाइंड्स इट्स डेस्टिनेशन. तब तक वो जाता रहेगा, एक्सचेंज करेगा जब तक कि उसको पर्टिकुलर डेस्टिनेशन ना मिल जाए, राइट. एट द डेस्टिनेशन द पैकेट्स आर एग्जामिन्ड इफ़ एनी पैकेट आर मिसिंग और डैमेज्ड. अब आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कोई पैकेट मिस हुआ है, क्योंकि आपके हर एक पैकेट पे क्या पड़ा हुआ है, नंबर. तो आप उस नंबर की हेल्प से उसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. और अगर डैमेज हो गया तब क्या करना है, मैसेज इज सेंट आस्किंग फॉर देम टू बी रीसेंट. ठीक है, जिस सोर्स से आया है वहाँ का एड्रेस ऑलरेडी मेंशन होता है, तो वहाँ पे आप फिर से मैसेज भेजोगे और वो डेटा पैकेट जो कि मिस है या डैमेज्ड हो चुका है वो फिर से वो रीसेंड कर देंगे. देन द पैकेट आर नाउ रीअसेंबल्ड इनटू देयर ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. और रीअसेंबलिंग कैसे होगी 100 पेज की बुक, क्योंकि उसमें 1 से 100 तक पेज नंबर्स पड़े हुए हैं एंड आप इजीली कहीं से भी वो पेजेस आएंगे, आप इजीली उसको असेंबल कर सकते हैं. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Now session 3, introduction to instant messaging. What is instant messaging? It is a form of communication over the internet that offers an instantaneous transmission of text-based messages from sender to receiver. Most instant messaging software includes the open option for performing file transfers, audio, chat, video calling and conferencing, sharing desktop, etc. These all are what? This is instant messaging, means one side sender is there and another side receiver will be there. Whatever sender will send, receiver will receive, and on the basis of message receiver will reply also. What is the key features of an instant messaging? This is a text message can be sent to one or more than one person. Okay, means a number of person can get the same message at the same time. Audio calling and conferencing, video calling and conferencing, file transferring, message history, etc. Instant messaging account. What is instant messaging account? Participant messaging to each other need to be signed in to the same instant messaging software. To use instant messaging software, a user must have a valid instant messaging account. Then only that user will able to send the messages. Instant messaging services, here Google Talk, Yahoo Messenger, Skype, Windows Live Messenger, Rediff Bowl, etc. These all are what? These are the services through which you are able to instant message. Creating an instant message account, how you'll create, here few points are mentioned. To create or to launch Google Talk, what you have to do, start, then program, and then Google Talk option will appear. Click on that and you will launch the Google Talk option. through this you are able to create your messaging account. How you will sign in? Simply by entering your password, and your password you will able to sign in this particular Google Talk account. Next is session 4, chatting with a contact or on Google Talk. Chat. What is the chat, students? It is a simultaneous conversation. Sender and receiver must be there. Whatever sender will send, receiver will receive and reply the same. But this is by using Google Talk app. So this is what chatting with a contact through Google Talk app. There are some general rules and etiquettes to be followed while chatting. What are the etiquettes or rules? Message should be short and to be to the point, right? It is very important. Always introduce yourself by name if your screen name doesn't reflect it. ठीक है, अगर आपका स्क्रीन पे नेम नहीं शो हो रहा है तो आप इमीडिएट अपने नेम की अपना नेम एंटर करके अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कराइए. देन ऑलवेज आस्क इफ द अदर पर्सन हैज़ टाइम टू चैट फर्स्ट. इफ he or she will not have the time, then you will not chat to them. In a business environment, know exactly what you want to discuss. Okay, don't express so much. Only to the point must be there while you are communicating with business personals. Typing your message in uppercase is extremely rude. It is not good. You must use sentence case, means your first letter must be capital and remaining will be small letters. Give people time to respond. Don't write. You just wait also and wait for the respond. Whatever they will respond, you just go through that also. Wherever possible, give the person you are communicating with your undivided attention. It's not just a sign of respect, but if you have multiple conversations happening or are allowing other issues to disturb you, okay, distract you, you may miss an important point in the other person's message or lose the gist of the conversation. So wherever possible, you must give the attention to the particular chat persons. Chatting on Gmail, on the same way as you have seen the points, on the same way you will use Gmail option also, Yahoo also, and many more features or apps are provided. You will go through it and you will start your conversation. Okay.